To redeem a Marriott gift card, start by visiting the Marriott website or mobile app. Once you are on the website or app, click on the Book a Stay option and select your destination and travel dates. Choose your preferred hotel and room type. Then proceed to the Payment section. In the Payment section, you will see an option to use a gift card. Click on this option and enter your gift card number and PIN. The gift card number and PIN can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you have a digital gift card. After entering the gift card details, the system will automatically apply the gift card balance to your booking. If the gift card balance is not enough to cover the full cost of the booking, you can pay the remaining amount using a credit or debit card. It is essential to note that Marriott gift cards can only be used to pay for hotel stays and cannot be used to purchase other items such as food or spa services. Also, gift cards are only redeemable at participating Marriott hotels and may not be accepted at all locations. To check the balance of your gift card, you can visit the Marriott website or call the customer service number. It is also a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance and expiration date to avoid any issues when trying to redeem it. Finally, make sure to read the terms and conditions of your gift card to understand any restrictions or limitations on its use. By following these steps and being aware of the terms and conditions, you can easily redeem your Marriott gift card and enjoy your stay at a Marriott hotel.